Alright, got my Ac Delco EP386 in the mail for my Firebird convertible, and let's see what it came with. Looks like it comes with something to splice a new wire in. I don't know why you need that. Why can't they just keep it the old style if it's OEM? Hopefully my connector fits right in there and I don't have to use this splicer piece. There's the new filter. So yeah, I can get this installed. I try to get the original Ac Delco brand. I don't want aftermarket. And there's the directions. So, alright, so here's the old fuel pump and here's the new one. You can see they're identical in size, a little bit different up here, but the kit that I got comes with a connector just in case this one doesn't fit, but this one actually fits on both of these, so I don't have to use this. The kit comes with a new O-ring for the gas tank. It comes with two, so this is a smaller one is what I need. It comes with a couple clamps. This is for here, which you can see I don't even have clamps on it, so I'll probably use a clamp on this. And the hose looks pretty good, so I'll reuse this hose. Comes with a new little rubber thing that goes at the bottom here and a new filter, and that kind of just pushes on. I took this off the old one. I'll slide this on the new one as well. Alright, there it is attached. I put the little boot on from the other one. I put the little rubber on at the bottom, and this connector went right in. I used the clamps this time because this one didn't have clamps, and I tightened them down so it's nice and secure. You want to put this thing on last and make sure, see how this lifts up here, you want to have it parallel going this way. No, I actually put it this way, which was wrong. You want to have it parallel to that, and that's what the manual says. See, it lifts up here and you want to have it parallel to it moving up.